students. Welcome to fun and exciting math lesson for today. It is indeed that numbers can be seen anywhere, and it is up to us how we will use it. I am Teacher Glenn. Now join me and explore and learn mathematics in fun way. Our lesson for today is all about simplifying radical expressions. For today's lesson, our objectives are the following. 1. Define a radical expression. 2. Simplify and evaluate radical expressions. And 3. Appreciate radical expressions by answering the activity prepared for this lesson. First, let us define radical expression. What is a radical expression? When we say a radical expression, it is a numerical or an algebraic expression that include a radical. This is an example of a radical expression. We have the cube root of 64. 3 is called the index and 64 is called the radical. Simplify the following radical expressions. Number 1. Square root of 121. What is the square root of 121? Yes, the square root of 121 is equal to 11. Number 2. Square root of x raised to 8. As you can see, the exponent of radicand x raised to 8 is 8 and the index is 2. Simply divide 8 to the index 2 and we will get x raised to 4. And that is how we simplified number 2. The answer in number 2 is x raised to 4. Number 3, we have cube root of square root of 8x cubed. The radicand 8x cubed doesn't have a perfect square root, but it has a perfect cube root. So all we have to do is to interchange the square root and the cube root. After interchanging the square root and cube root, we will have square root of cube root of 8x cubed. Then, we can now simplify the inner radicals. So, cube root of 8x cubed is square root of 2x. Square root of 2x cannot be simplified anymore. So, the answer in number 3 is square root of 2x. Number 4, we have square root of 1 over 9. So all we have to do is to distribute the radical into the numerator and into the denominator, or separate them. And we will have square root of 1 over square root of 9. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 9 is 3. The answer is 1 over 3. Number 5. We have square root of 32x raised to 10 over square root of 2x raised to 4. As you can see, 32 doesn't have a perfect square root. Same with 2. So what we will do is to write them as one radicand. And we will have square root of 32x raised to 10 over 2x raised to 4. Since they have the same index, we can now divide 32 x raised to 10 and 2x raised to 4. And we will have a square root of 16x raised to 6. Get the square root of 16x raised to 6 and you will get 4x cubed. The answer is 4x cubed. Number 6. Cube root of 27 raised to 3. In this problem, all you need to do is to divide the exponent 3 to the index 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we will get 27 raised to 1. And 27 raised to 1 is equal to 27. So the answer is 27. After discussing those examples, now it's your time to answer the test yourself. I will give you 2 minutes to complete this task. Now, students, are you ready? Then, let's begin. Your time is up. Now, let us see if your answers are correct. The answer in number 1 is 4x raised to 4 y cubed z raised to 6. While the answer in number 2 is 5x cubed square root of 2x. If you got those right, congratulations! You understood this lesson. For your assignment, do an advanced reading on performing operations on radicals, and that would be our next lesson. And that ends our lesson for today. Learning mathematics is really fun, especially if you put your mind on it and just let learning take over. So that's it for today. See you again. Have a nice day. Once again, this is Teacher Glenn. Goodbye, everyone.